Hey there, health-conscious folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for you, the ABC juice. This fantastic blend of apple, beetroot, and carrot is not only delicious but also packed with an array of health benefits. Stick around as we dive into the goodness of this vibrant juice, its benefits, and the best times to enjoy it. Before we get started, let's take a look at the incredible health benefits of the ABC juice. The power of ABC apple, beetroot, and carrot benefits. Let's kick off with the apple. Apples are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and dietary fiber, which promote heart health, aid digestion, and boost your immune system. Next up, the beetroot. This vibrant root vegetable contains nitrates that help improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and enhance exercise performance. Lastly, the carrot. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, which is excellent for your eyes, skin, and overall immune health. Now, imagine all these health superheroes combined into one delicious drink, the ABC juice. Let's move on to the recipe. The Wholesome ABC juice recipe. Here's how you can whip up this nutritional powerhouse in your kitchen. Ingredients: 2 medium-sized apples, 1 medium-sized beetroot, 2 large carrots. Step 1. Preparing the produce. Start by washing the apples, beetroot, and carrots thoroughly under cold running water. Remember to peel the apples, beetroot, and carrots to remove any dirt or wax. Step 2. Chopping and prepping. Next, roughly chop the apples, beetroot, and carrots into smaller pieces that will fit into your juicer chute. Step 3. Juicing the goodness. Now, it's time to juice up. Turn on your juicer and begin feeding the chopped fruits and vegetables through the chute. Witness the vibrant colors of the ABC juice flow out. Step 4. Mixing and serving. Once you've extracted all the goodness from the fruits and vegetables, give the juice a gentle stir to blend the flavors. When to consume ABC juice for maximum benefits. Now that we have our freshly made ABC juice, let's talk about the best times to enjoy this nourishing elixir. Mornings. Starting your day with ABC juice is an excellent way to kickstart your morning. The blend of vitamins and minerals will give you an energy boost and keep you feeling refreshed throughout the day. Pre-workout. If you're hitting the gym or going for a run, have a glass of ABC juice before your workout. The nitrates in beetroot can enhance your exercise performance and oxygen delivery to muscles. Afternoon snack. Feeling peckish in the afternoon? Skip the unhealthy snacks and opt for a glass of ABC juice instead. It'll keep your hunger at bay and provide essential nutrients to keep you going. There you have it, the invigorating ABC juice recipe and its incredible health benefits. Whether you sip it in the morning, before your workout, or as an afternoon pick-me-up, this delightful drink will be a wholesome addition to your daily routine. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health-conscious recipes and tips. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for general informational purposes only and should not be considered as professional medical advice. If you have any health concerns or conditions, please consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet.